What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and thumbs up this video. And if you're new to this channel, my name is Mariah. Thank you guys for watching. As you can tell from the title, I'm going to be reviewing this drone. You guys can purchase it at Amazon, and the link will be down below. The exact drone I am reviewing right now, you guys will have a chance and winning it in a giveaway. So stay tuned for the information at the end of the video. If you guys are trying to skip this video to get the information of this giveaway, you better not, because I am watching y'all, okay? Let's get started in this video. So this drone is by Syma. It is in gold and black details. Now it do not come like this. Now you will have to put together these parts. I'm not sure exactly what it's called, but the instructions show you exactly how to put together and everything. So it comes with this. It comes with 2 batteries that last 40 minutes. Also, guess what? It can do 360 flips. Now, if you're the type of people that loves to do some action or some type of drone games, I heard of that before. Like drone games, people literally have drone games, like trying to see what kind of flips in it. Now, this baby is fast. Like, this baby is so fast. Y'all will see how it takes off. It is amazing. Like, this is so amazing. Literally, it takes off well, it lands well, it does everything. Like, it's just control. Now, you can control it with the controller it comes in, or you can use your actual phone by downloading the app, Syma, and turn on the Bluetooth, and not the Bluetooth, but turn on your Wi-Fi and connecting the drone to your phone via Wi-Fi, not Bluetooth, via Wi-Fi, okay? Which is simple and easy. I love it. Now, I'm going to show you guys how to actually turn it on. When you turn it on, it actually has these green and red blinking lights. And that's when you actually get your phone or the controller and turn it on, and you'll be able to control it. It will navigate up and down, whatever turns, however you want it to go. And that's actually super amazing. And I'm going to show you guys how to put the battery in and how to take it out also. So let me turn it off. By turning it off, you just hold it. And now to open it, you just got to push this down and open it like so. Now you guys will see the cords. This is the connecting cords when you get the battery. Now you see how this battery look? You just connect this into the one that's in the drone. So be careful and do not pop it, because if you pop it, then it's like, I'm not sure how to fix it. So this is the other one. Also, it comes with a charger. So you just plug it in the charger and charge it. I believe it only takes 20 minutes to charge. So, and to put it back in, all you have to do is put it in. There's no right or wrong way to put in a battery. So just put it in however, and just make sure you plug it in like this. And then push it down, and all you do is stuff the cords in and pop it in, just like this. Very easy, very simple. There's nothing hard about this drone. Here, there's other drones that's very, very difficult to use, I'm sure. But this is a very easy drone for beginner friendly, which is amazing. I am still practicing on how to actually use it, and for it to, it actually, I forgot what it's called. It's like a motion sense, so it can follow and hover over you and everything. Like, I'm still practicing. I'm not that good yet, but let me know what you guys think. You guys made it to the end of the video. Now, as you can see, it's giveaway time. So the link will be down below in the description box where you guys can go. Put in your first, your last name, and your email. Also include your phone number to enter the giveaway. This is amazing. Like, you guys will actually get a chance to win a drone. Now, tell your friends, tell your family, tell anybody to go ahead and register, sign up for this giveaway to give it to you for, like, what's coming up? Christmas? Christmas is coming up. Who don't want a drone? Like, who don't want a drone for Christmas? Tell them. All you have to do, it's free. Just sign up with your name, full name, your email, and your phone number. That's it. Simple. Easy peasy, okay? So the link will be down below in the description box. Also, the link to purchase the drone is down below in the description box also. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, and comment down below. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out.